How much cash is hiding in that old bike in your garage? You might be surprised. That dusty bicycle, with its flat tire and rusty chain, holds a secret value. It's not just clutter, it's a potential source of income. The core of that value lies in the bicycle frame, the metal skeleton that everything else attaches to. Whether it's made of steel, aluminum, or carbon fiber, the frame is exactly what people are looking to buy. Recyclers and hobbyists are constantly looking for these frames. First, the metal itself has scrap value. Recyclers will pay you for the raw material. Second, unique or vintage frames can be cleaned up and sold to someone looking to build their own custom bike. This is a great opportunity right now. People are more conscious of waste, and upcycling is a mainstream movement. You're not just making money. You're participating in a circular economy, giving an old object a new life. It's a win for your wallet and a win for the environment. The beauty of this idea is its simplicity. You don't need a large investment, just a little curiosity. This is a practical, hands-on way to make extra money from items that are readily available. So, where do you find these frames? They're everywhere once you start looking. Begin in your own home. Your garage or basement is your starting inventory. Then, expand your search. Watch curbside collection days and visit local thrift stores, flea markets, and garage sales. Use online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree in Australia, or Tutti in Switzerland. Search for old bike, scrap bike, or free bike. Many people will let you haul a bike away for free. Also check with local bike shops. They often have damaged frames they'll sell cheap or give away. Once you have a frame, you need to process it to maximize its value. First, sort frames by material. A magnet will stick to steel, but not to aluminum or carbon fiber. Steel and aluminum are easiest to sell for scrap. Next, remove all non-metal parts, wheels, seats, plastic guards, and rubber grips. This is crucial because scrapyards pay for clean metal and may pay less or reject contaminated loads. Don't throw these parts away. They can be sold separately. Finally, give the frame a good cleaning to remove grease and dirt. A cleaner product always sells better. Now that your frames are prepped, it's time to make money. The most straightforward path is selling to a scrap metal recycler. Before you go, do your homework. Scrap prices fluctuate daily, so search online for current rates for steel and aluminum. Call a few local yards to compare prices and ask about any minimum weight requirements. When you go, bring your steel and aluminum bundled separately. For frames in good condition, especially vintage, lightweight, or from a popular brand, selling for reuse is usually more profitable. Take clear, well-lit photos and be honest about any damage. Post listings on platforms like Craigslist, eBay, or specialized forums like Bike Chaser in Australia or Velomarkt in Switzerland. One good frame sold for reuse can earn you more than a whole pile of scrap. A few tips to boost your profits. Sell the extra parts you removed in bundles. Offer a small pickup service in your area. People will often give you bikes just to get rid of them. And for carbon fiber frames, find specialty buyers like custom builders or artists. And remember, always prioritize safety. Wear sturdy gloves and safety glasses, as metal edges can be sharp. You are now equipped with the knowledge to turn old bicycle frames into a steady source of cash. It's a simple, sustainable, and surprisingly rewarding process. Start small. This weekend, find one old bike. That's your first project. Follow the steps. Find it, prep it, and sell it. The journey from seeing an old bike to holding cash in your hand is an empowering one. Each step teaches you something valuable about identifying metals, disassembling components, and connecting with your local community. Keep a small notebook to track what you find, where you sell it, and how much you earn. This data will help you refine your strategy. This is more than just a money-making idea. It's a mindset shift. You'll start to see value where others only see waste. Don't get overwhelmed. Just focus on the very next step. Find one frame, clean it up, sell it. Then, find another. The potential is there, waiting for you. If you enjoyed these simple practical ideas for making money while helping the planet, be sure to follow for more tips. There's a whole world of hidden value out there, and I'm here to help you find it, one project at a time.